Dr. Hawkip, let's get the snowball rolling with you. When incidents like these keep recurring, it's an uncomfortable situation that we've landed in, and many thanks for taking out the time, because we do need to talk about this. Do you believe the problem is primarily legal, or is it deeply societal? Despite the FIRs that have been registered, despite all the cases that I've mentioned in the introduction, many victims say justice feels slow, justice feels symbolic. So where do you think the system actually fails in these cases?
Let me start by saying that the Indian state response to the issue of racism is slow and tardy, and responsible for the massive racial profiling in India. If you look into how the legal systems in India need to be reformed in the last more than 1 decade, you can find that in the wake of the death of Nido Tanya, who is also a student from Arunachal Pradesh, who was a student suffering from racial abuses and was killed in January 2014.
Yeah.
A committee was formed by the government, and under the Best Behavior Committee, one of the recommendation was that discrimination and apathy of the law enforcing agencies in Delhi and other metropolitan cities were, abject, and that's why the Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2019 was introduced after this issue, which, if you compare with the Nirbhaya case, which was immediately followed by an ordinance. However, here in this case, it took 6 years, and then this bill is still lying, and this bill is still pending in the parliament. So if you look into the Indian state response to the issue of racial profiling and racism in India, I think there is a kind of apathy towards this issue, and this is mainly responsible for the perpetuation of racism in India. So the parliament has to take serious note of this issue, and legislate quickly on the provisions of the IPC or BNS today.
Okay. We hear you, Dr. Hawkip.